So for today's twist out, I will be using the LOC method using the Tailored Beauty products. I'll be starting off with the penetrating leave-in conditioner treatment, following up with the lustrous hair remedy syrup, and then adding the curl antidote curling cream. So this is my first time using the Tailored Beauty brand, and I must say that I am already impressed. And once you see my results, you are definitely going to be impressed too. Just keep watching. So after I finished twisting my entire head, I sat under the dryer for about 30 minutes, and these are my dry results. The twists are nice, juicy, and moisturized. Can't wait to take them down in the morning. So here we are the next day, and I'm going to add a little of the hair serum to my hands just to help with the separating and to reduce a little bit of the frizz. But as you can see, the shine definition is definitely there. These products are so bomb. So I am definitely feeling my results. Loving this combination. Can't wait to try the rest of the line from Tailored Beauty.